Hi friends, it's yet another beautiful day. I'm your host and host Mumbaikar Mayur. Welcome to my channel. It's been so riveting, this test series right now between India and England. I know I'm starting off without even giving you a welcome. Yeah, I'm back with yet another video after like 5 months. 5-6 महीने बाद आ रहा हूँ मैं. Because last year was tragic. December के end में कुछ हुआ, so I was off the video making session. So I'm really sorry. But yes, I'm back. I'm back actually too late. आप बोलोगे already 2 मैच हो चुका है. I'm not talked about anything for the Chennai match and the Motera third test match. The 2 test matches which was held in Chennai was like 2 sides of the same coin. एक मैच में आप देखते हो it's a high scoring match and the second test match completely ulta. The pitch is turning, spinners are on top of the match. What happened basically? Did the pitch crumble? क्या हुआ? What went wrong? Nobody knows. But there was a lot of speculations and talk. How can India change the pitch for their bowlers? But do you think really was it happening that way? Pata nahi. You can comment me on this video. You can put on the comment section if you feel that there was something fishy about the second test match after the first test match, which was so much batting friendly. All of a sudden the pitch was turning right from day one. If you would have seen, Jack Leach was turning the ball like a mile, and Sharma played very well. 160 odd which he scored was very good. बहुत अच्छे से खेले because I think उनके अलावा nobody was able to score very freely because the pitch was turning so badly. So coming back to the very much speculated world's biggest ground, world's biggest stadium, 110,000 capacity, bigger than the Melbourne, the MCG. Dimensions weren't that huge like how the MCG was. It was 85 meters MCG. हमारा तो 67, 68, 70 meters के ऊपर कुछ है ही नहीं बाउंड्रीज. बट स्टिल द विकेट, डू रियली थिंक टेस्ट मैच 2 दिन में खत्म होना चाहिए? सबसे पहले आंसर दैट. 2 दिनों में टेस्ट मैच खत्म हो रहा है. 1946 was the first time when the test match was over in 2 days. Since 2000, there were around 9 test matches which got over in like 2 days. This was, I think, only the second test match which got over in, they are saying, 842 balls. Lot of legendary, क्या बोलते हैं? You have a lot of legendary numbers behind it. Since day one, ball wasn't turning at all. The only problem which I think is the batting technique was pathetic. Next to pathetic. Right from Joe Root, anyone, you can see anyone. Crawley was playing very well on the first day. Since then, everything was going apart. The only problem, I think, was batting technique. The footwork was haywire. Because Akshar Patel was just darting the ball. Ball wasn't turning. Ball was on the pitch. Ball is going in the line. Even Ashwin was going through the manual, which he always does. He is like the guru of spin bowling in India. Now again, speculations on Ashwin. He answered it very well to the English journalist when he was asked that why are you so well in Indian wickets and what is the problem with Indian pitches. He answered it very well. When we talk about Perth and Lords in such stadium, जब 2 दिनों में I think match खत्म होता है, then there is no talk. But when in India, when a match finishes in 3 days, there is a lot of news. The Indian curator makes the pitch in favor of India so that they take wickets. That's rubbish. Cricket has got its own way of dealing with things. IPL, T20, the way of batting has changed. The way of defending, the way of playing things have changed. You don't think like Test cricket anymore because you are more of into the T20 and the T10 right now, which is happening. T10 zone. So cricket has changed a lot. Defensive mode has gone in a very weird way. Like if you see the wickets which fell in Motera, 28 wickets were taken by only spinners and 2 by one by I think Jofra Archer and one by Ishant Sharma. 30 wickets in 2 days. The reason behind it more of was batting technique, which I saw, because England was playing behind the ball. Nobody was defending. They were not playing with the line correctly, and everybody was getting LBW. Joe Root had a match-winning figures, but ended up losing. He was like what, 5 wickets, 8 runs. Now, why did he got so many wickets? You could have talked about Indian spinners taking wicket. Joe Root is a part-timer. अगर उनके captain, who is a batsman, he is taking 5 wickets. That was the reason of wrong shot making. If you see the 5 wickets was taken by Rishabh Pant, उसमें ऋषभ पंत का विकेट बहुत weird है. The way he was playing the shot, 2-3 wickets which was taken by Joe Root was also wrong line shots. It was not a pitch which was massively turning, like the way second test match में चेन्नई में it was exploding. The pitch was just exploding. If you see the replay, every ball is just exploding as if the pitch is going to come off. Pitch में सिर्फ धूल निकल रही. In every pitch of the ball, the pitch is exploding. That was a wicket which you can speculate about. But this wicket, I don't know. It was not that much to talk about. It was only wrong shot selection, and ended up losing. England ended up losing. Plus, the only problem was here they were not playing the shots correctly, and the blame was coming on the curators. Yes, the stadium was inaugurated, and it was the first match. Plus, that's why the point was more on the curator. Why did the match finish so early? So ये भी बात है. Going forward, I think there is only one match left. So, and also talking about a Test Championship which is going to be held in Lords, New Zealand has its spot fixed already. India और Australia में चल रहा है कि who is going to play. If India is going to win, India is going to play with New Zealand for the Test Championship, and India draws or even if they draw, I think we are winning and we are going through New Zealand. The only problem is if we lose, Australia comes in, England goes out automatically. So let's hope there is no more speculations in the 4th test, and should be a fair game. It is always a fair game. It is only a problem of the newsmakers, the media, I think the old cricketers who have played cricket in their era. But I think the cricket always changes with the eras. हर जमाने में I think every type of cricketers, every type of league, the matches की वजह से the test match के ऊपर वो पूरा game उसका change हो जाता है. Because we in the earlier times, if you talk about 80s, Sachin era, the 70s, Gavaskar, Kapil Dev, they were not more of T20s at all. T20s के बाद the way of run rate, scoring rate has changed, and everything changes accordingly. So you have to respect that, because if we want to change the game, there is gonna be some disadvantages. So this is one of them. The way of playing balls have changed, and hence all these things are happening. So yes, lots to talk about. It will keep on going. Debates and talk about all of these things will happen. So, like again, a great Michael Clark, he also debated on Aaron Finch's not being bought in the IPL. So, IPL के selection में a lot of legendary cricketers were not being selected. There were other few reasons behind it. So, cricket has got all these things, speculations, debate. That's the fun of it. That's why I like it. That's why we all love it. So let it continue. So we'll take ahead on the 4th test and see how it goes. Let's see how the pitch fares. एक चीज भूल गया. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.